Hello everyone, this is Farooq here, and in this video we will see how to uh, a hover effect in our product card. So here is one heart icon. So in this heart icon, once a mouse hover in this card, so hold the card will heart icon will be uh, show, and after in the background with the some gray color. So let's start the design. So at first I already designed the card. So this is my card design. So this is the card from here. Okay, so this is my card tag here and some css at the top. Okay, now if I see inside the card, there is my icon area. This is the icon. So for the hover effect, because even I have to add background color also, so for that I just remove from here. This is the card body and the full card body. Inside this and this full card body, and here is the card body, right? After the card body, I just take one more dip and paste the icon here and give the class name for hover effect. Okay, all right, the card hover effect. So after the moving the icon at the bottom, my design will be look like this, the downside at the heart icon. Okay, so at first this one, my class, I have to add some style here. So width is should be 100% because same as the card, and the card width, and height also 100%, not pixel, because the dynamically will be with card depend on the card width and height. Okay, so card width and height done. Then give the background. Yes, background color, suppose gray at the moment. And then mm, another one is I have to give the position, position absolute. Position is, my mouse is little, keyboard a little problem. Okay, so position is absolute, done. Then if I give the this area position absolute, so at the parent, what is the parent class name? This is the card. So I have to use the position relative in the card class. So position is relative for the card class. Okay, okay, another one, I have to give little font size in this my icon. So add the font size, card effect icon, font size is 30 pixel. Okay, 30 pixel, and color, okay, just now leave the color. Let's see how looks the design. Okay, this is the design. Okay, how looks the design? This is the design here. But position, I have to write the card effect hover effect area. I just give the position absolute, but I have to give the position also, like declare the position area. Suppose top 0 and left 0. Okay, left 0. Then it's look like this. Okay, so now my challenge is I need to this heart in the center, right? So for that, again I have to write display flags and justify content, center, and align item. Okay, align items is center. So if I look now, this is the center. Icon is center now. Make little more bigger, 50 pixel. Yes, 50 pixel is little good design, and make the color is red. Actually, don't give the direct red. This much. Okay. So now these are now look like this. Okay, but what I have to do, I have to reduce the opacity. And if you follow this one, see border radius or even our card are not match because the card has already some border radius. So same border radius I have to use the hover effect also. So let's see card, the border radius is 10 pixel. Okay, same pixel I have to add this one. Okay, so now it's look nice. Okay, now I have to add the effect. So by default, mm, at first make little opacity, huh? Opacity, make this one, this design opacity make 0.8 or 6, make 6. So okay, so this is the 6. Okay, and color will be more darker, so little more dark. Okay, yes, now look nice. mm, but this color make now full red. Okay, now I have to design the effect, working now effect, because once the hover on the card, then I have to show this effect, and otherwise by default it is display none, it will not show. Okay, so by default it is display none. Which class? This one, card hover effect. Make display none. Okay, oh sorry, so now this one actually I write already display flex, no, so I don't give this one display none. So make one thing, make opacity 0, make opacity 0 by default, so it will look like this. Once the hover effect, then I will add opacity 1 or 0.6. So which area is I have to hover, once the hover the whole card from, this is the card class, so take the card class. Am I right? This is the card class. Yes, this is the card class here. So just write the card class first, card, then hover. Once the hover on the card, then in this class will be opacity 0.8. Okay, once I remove the mouse from the card, then opacity will be 0, and again once the hover on the card, then will be the opacity will be 0.8. So let's check is working or not. You see, this is the working. Okay, so this is the one simple design for effect, hover effect in our card. So you can use dynamic way and dynamic, um, so many ways, so it's depend on your design. I just give the idea. If you know this, using how to affect once the hover on, how's the hover working, then you can do any kind of design. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and comment if you need to more any more topic. So bye bye for today.